guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel.
Let the moon shine through.
I know it's been so long, literally. जब तुम्हारे इतने सारे टेक्स्ट देखे हैं ना मैंने, तब मैंने रियलाइज़ करा है कि भाई साहब there are so many and I can't reply to all of them on my story. So I thought let's just make a video and nothing's better than a physical video. तुम्हें पता चल जाता है कि इंसान झूठ बोल रहा है कि नहीं. But मैं झूठ नहीं बोलती guys, please. So I have my questions here. ठीक है, I'm gonna read it and just answer it. It's more fun that way. Okay, first was, have you ever had an inappropriate crush? Inappropriate crush क्या होता है? मतलब if you love someone, you love someone. There's nothing inappropriate about it, first of all. But yeah, inappropriate crush. So I think that I had on a teacher. If that's inappropriate, I think it is inappropriate. Well, I had a crush on this teacher who was there. But yeah, what's the most embarrassing thing that has happened to you in school? There must be something embarrassing. I think embarrassing question. Yeah, I embarrassing thing. Yes. So there was this time when I had this crush in my school and I was looking at him and मैं 3 सीढ़ियाँ ऐसे नीचे गिर गई थी चलते चलते, which was pretty embarrassing because I think he saw that. I was very little यार. I was in I think 8th या 9th, I think 8th standard में थी मैं, 7th 8th ऐसी कुछ था. ठीक है, I was looking at him and मैं ऐसे पीछे देख के चल रही थी and I fell 3 stairs down. That was pretty embarrassing in school. उसके अलावा तो कुछ embarrassing था नहीं. It was more like college. Ever made out with a married guy? Oh my god guys, what are you all doing out there? No, obviously not. Guys, don't do it. ठीक है, it's not worth it. If a married guy is cheating on a married woman, don't do it. It's not worth it. Don't do it. Winter Hills worth living. Planning to buy a flat there. First of all, I have no idea where Winter Hills is. I know where Winterfell is, but I don't know where Winter Hill is. So go buy a flat. Good for you. I have no idea how it is. Any boyfriend? And what's your date of birth? Guys, what's up? Bhai, recently people have asked me my date of birth and I realized that it is because they want to get married or something like that. And no, I don't have a boyfriend. And what's my date of birth? It's 18/6/2001. What was the best night you have ever had? Guys, क्या question है ये क्या? See, I'm gonna live in present tense and according to that I don't have a partner right now. But partner क्या होता है, right? So I have my best friend. With her I went to Berlin and we partied the whole night away. So yeah, she is my partner and I had a great time. We partied way too much and it's something that we can't even disclose what we did that night. But it was fun. And yes, that was the best night I had with my partner. What's the wildest thing you have done and you would love to do it again if you had the chance? What's the wildest thing that I have done? There are pretty much बहुत सारी है, but let's just not even go there because honestly I feel like the wildest thing that I have done are the things that I'm probably never gonna do again because first of all wildest चीज़ें ही वही होती हैं जो तुम दोबारा नहीं कर सकते और तुम्हें नहीं करनी चाहिए. But if I have to share, I'll share something that is old, pretty old. Okay, wildest thing that you. So I just remembered. I think it is pretty wild. Okay, I was 16, 17 years old and I got very drunk and I was heartbroken and I lied down in the middle of the road. मतलब it was not a road like main road. वो थोड़े से जो सोसाइटीज़ के साइड में पीछे होती हैं, but it was pretty big road, okay, and I lied down there. But there were people who picked me up immediately. So I did that. It was pretty stupid. I'm never doing it again. I haven't done it again ever. And इस बात को 7-8 साल हो चुके हैं probably, ठीक है. And that was the wildest thing that I've done that I can share with you guys. Insanity, but never had a convo. So hey, hi. सारे लोगों ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है, ठीक है, एंड उसका क्वेश्चन ये है कि why you guys broke up? Why did you break up? Okay, I'm gonna keep it short. Love was not the problem. Loyalty, honesty, जो चीज़ें होनी चाहिए रिलेशन में, it was not the problem. It just did not work out between us. Let's keep it to that. And we are on good terms. No grudges, no fouls, nothing is there. We are good friends. It's fine. Why haven't we done therapy again? Therapy, I've never done therapy, and therapies are expensive, so let's just not even go there. And I don't need any therapy for the record. Next, what I'm most grateful for in my life right now, grateful जो मैं हूँ ना, it is for my family literally and my siblings, because bro, I am who I am because of them, and I'm so grateful कि भाई उन्होंने ऐसे good qualities and like ये जो होना चाहिए अच्छे इंसान में वो क्वालिटीज़ मेरे को पास डाउन करे, एंड मेरे को अच्छी ऐसे परवरिश दिया है, एंड आई एम फकिंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई परवरिश बिकॉज जैसे मैं बाहर जाती हूँ ना, आई सी सम पीपल एंड आई हियर सम पीपल टॉकिंग एंड आई एम लाइक गॉड, दीज पीपल हैव नो मॉरल्स मैन. उनके मॉरल्स और वैल्यूज़ देख के ना मैं तो ऐसे हो जाती हूँ कि भाई साहब प्लीज़ चुप हो जाओ, फिंगर ऑन योर लिप्स, डोंट टॉक, जस्ट यूर प्रिटी एंड योर sundar, handsome, whatever, just keep your mouth shut, because it's gonna. What's your source of income? Bitch, I exist, and that's my source of income, literally. What's the best way to catch your attention and take you out? Have a good physique, have good ethical moral values, you know, people who don't fuck around, and be a fucking man. First of all, be a fucking man. That's the way to get my life matter. दुविधा ऐसी दुविधा में मत डालो मेरे को, ठीक है? Does size matter? But ये क्वेश्चन ना मैंने एक बंदी से पूछा था, and she said yes it does. So I'm gonna say yes it does. Have you ever done threesome? And the question is no. Do you get angry often? Ask me if I do this every day. I said often. No, I don't. भाई मेरे को गुस्सा नहीं आता है. I'm a very calm, peaceful person. But if you're gonna get on my nerves, I am gonna get angry at some point. But ऐसे often या I don't get angry बहुत ज़्यादा. Next is fear which crosses your mind occasionally. Obviously my family. I mean, ये सबका ही बिगेस्ट फियर होता है, लाइक फैमिली डिसीजन विच टर्न आउट टू बी अ ग्रेट लेसन. नेवर एवर ड्रिंक द नेक्स्ट डे. सुबह उठते ही इफ़ यू थिंक दैट इट्स गonna हेल्प मी आउट, it's not gonna help me out. I thought that I am not having a hangover, but the real thing was कि I was still drunk from the last night. मेरी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गई थी कि I was literally not able to survive. मतलब obviously I survived. Craziest thing that I have ever done is crazy किया yeah. तो oh my god, how can I forget? तो उसका बर्थडे था and we went to this place in Delhi. Story about this chick, okay? And let's just say कि we did not like the chick, okay? And yes, guys, tell everything. He told me कि भाई this is the chick that I told you about, and you know, like she's trying to like. I was like, I'm drunk and I'm happy. Let's do something stupid and crazy. So I went to that chick and I told her he's like my best friend. Like he's my boyfriend and you need to like stay away. I get to play the jealous girlfriend, and which was so much fun. And भाई वो मतलब मेरा best friend was literally, he was, even the thought of it is gonna make both of us puke, but I get to play the jealous girlfriend, which I never did. मेरे को उस बंदे ने बोला I'm so sorry, realize that he had a girlfriend and everything like that. And I was like, yeah, now you do. Now you do. So you need to like stay the fuck away from a boyfriend. And it was so fun. It was so crazy. And it was very fun. What's a non-negotiable in your life? Something you would never compromise on no matter what is family. If I want to see my family, I should be able to see my family whenever the fuck I want to see my family, or whenever the fuck they want to see me for whatever. You get what I'm saying? That is a non-negotiable for me, because money is not worth it if you can't spend it with your loved ones. That's my thing. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm telling you, it's not worth it. तुम 4 पैसे ज़्यादा कमा लोगे, but if you can't see the faces of the people you love, it's not worth it. It is not worth it. Literally remember. Forbidden desire without consequence. What would it be, and how do you imagine it would ignite the fire within you? Wow, nice question. So forbidden desire. So there's this place that I loved going to in Delhi, and it has shut down. Rooftop open space, and I fucking loved going there. That was my go-to comfort place, okay? And that is forbidden because it's not there anymore. It has shut down. Forbidden. And without any consequences, I would want a party to be hosted in that place, and everybody would be there. It would be like old times from 2022, and all will be right in the world for one night. Well, all is right in the world, but you know what I mean. Way to get your attention here and take you out sometime. Best way to get my attention is to be a man about it. Some goals, have some, goal in your life that yes, this is where you want to be. I'm a kind of person which does not like to, go with people who are like, dekhenge, ho jayega. If I'm asking you what kind of house you want to live in, you should know exactly the color of the walls your house is gonna have. Okay, your thought on people obsessing on your feet. Honestly, they are just perfect. My thought on people obsessing over my feet is I don't, it's cute. I mean, it's pretty cute. Like you like my feet or something, you wanna worship them or something, it's cute. It's cute. I mean, literally it's cute. That is my thought. It is cute. The most adventurous thing you have desired but haven't done yet. Most adventurous thing is that I want to be in Ibiza with my best friend and dancing on the tabletops and having the best time of my life. That is the most adventurous thing that I want to do right now, and I haven't done it yet, but I'm planning to. So stay tuned. So that was the questions, deep juicy secrets that you wanted to ask me. There were more, but it's too much. Itna ye maine thoda cut diya. So I'm gonna do it next time. And thank you for watching it and send me the questions. I hope you got all the answers that you wanted from me. But yeah, bye, take care, ta ta, I love you all. Mwah.